Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Housewife. Today I have got a kitchenware and appliances shopping haul for you. I went to a few different shops today and got a whole list of things I need, as well as some things that I couldn't get on my list, but we'll get to that. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to all the men that watch my channel as well. I know at least 15% of my viewers are male, so I'm so glad my channel name hasn't deterred you in any way or made you feel unwelcome. I'm very happy that all my viewers are here. So I'm going to share a little secret with you. I have been neglecting my kitchen. Don't tell anyone. I know it's terrible. Kitchen deserves better. Don't neglect it. But there have been some things that I have needed for quite a while, and I think I've put them off because I don't really actually like shopping. I know, it's strange. Yeah, I don't enjoy shopping. I enjoy having new things, but I don't enjoy the process of actually going out and buying them. I enjoy the research before the purchase. It's just the actual buying. So today I went out, I had a list of things I need to get. Would you believe it? I haven't had a blender for about 18 months. I have a food processor, but I don't have a blender anymore. That broke about 18 months ago. My electric hand mixer, that probably about 2 months ago I decided that was no longer safe. It was about 10 years old. It did really, really well, but it started getting electric smell and it started crackling, and I decided that was no longer a good idea to be using. My hand mixer, you know, the old-fashioned, yeah, that went probably about 8 months ago, and I still haven't had that. Yeah, so I've been using a wooden spoon for everything, pretty much. That and the food processor. Let's start with the appliances. First of all, I went to Aldi. So Aldi has the special buys that come out sometimes on Wednesdays and Saturdays. They have a little bit of something in each day for you. And this week they had appliances. So what really took off is their air fryer. That's $40. It looks really good. For that product and that price, it just flew off the shelves. What I was interested in is the toaster and kettle. So this is the kettle. So it came in black and white, and it doesn't show you what the black one looks like. So I went with the white so that it sort of blends in with the kitchen, doesn't stand out and look too cluttered. Now I also bought the matching toaster, which is super exciting because it's actually got a crumb tray. Oh, and it's got cord storage at the base. I knew the kettle did that. I did not know the toaster did that. That is so exciting, you guys. A removable crumb tray. I'm so excited. Do you think I need to get out more? No, that's crazy. It's a removable crumb tray. Who wouldn't get excited about that? So matching toaster and kettle. So these are the trolley bags. This is an excellent system. Excellent system. So I originally bought these a few years back. Do not put them in a top loader washing machine. Yep, you can machine wash it on cold. I put it in a top loader. Top loaders aren't as gentle as front loaders. They shredded one of them. They left a lot of blue stain on my machine. So I wouldn't recommend machine washing them, and I won't machine wash these ones, but I did have another set that weren't Aldi's that worked really well as well, but they died over time. They get well loved. Okay, so after Aldi, I went to Robin's Kitchen to get the rest, or hopefully the rest of my list. I knew that I wouldn't be able to get some of the appliances at Robin's Kitchen because they don't do them, so of course you can't. I didn't actually find a lot of what I liked at Robin's Kitchen, and honestly, I don't know what it is because it's stocked, it looks like a garage sale that's just full of things that have to go, and I think that's part of how they design their store, is they want to give that feel. They have really expensive products for what they are, but then they have 70% off sale, so you would buy it on special and feel like you're getting a really good deal. Yeah, even though there was so much kitchen stuff, they never seem to have what I'm looking for. I don't know how that's even possible, but there it is. I asked them about the hand mixer. They haven't seen them in a long time. I'm thinking maybe Kmart. Not a Kmart in that complex. Kmart, if you want to email me, and you know, if you set up a store and staff it and stock it, I will occasionally shop there. Do you want to see what I got from Robin's Kitchen? I got a spatula. So I really like the nylon spatulas. I like the nice stiffness. I don't like the silicone. I'm kind of over silicone. I know it was a huge deal a few years ago, but I feel like we've done that to death. There are different qualities of silicone, and some work so much better and for different purposes, but for a spatula or egg lift or anything like that, I want it nice and sturdy. So that's all I got from Robin's Kitchen. I needed a frying pan. I really thought that Robin's Kitchen would have one for me, but my frying pan, which has done me so well for so long, it's 26 centimeter one, it needed replacing, and it's our, I guess, lower range product that we have. I've got two really nice, expensive, good quality frying pans that I use for a lot, but I wanted something that's quick and easy that anyone in the house can use and I don't have to get precious about it. Anyway, so I went into Robin's Kitchen and I said I just want maybe a 24 to 28 centimeter non-stick frying pan, just an average one that I can whip out and fry an egg on. And of course they wanted to sell me a whole set, a set of 5. I think it was a 5-piece. I said, no, I've got my 3 that I like, my 3 sizes. They're all different styles. It works well in my kitchen. I've got them arranged in my cupboard. I don't want a set. I just want one frying pan this size that's non-stick. So the next thing they offered me was a very expensive, I think it was a $120 frying pan. It was probably only worth about $50. But it was a 2-for-1, buy one, get one free. And they said, so, you know, it's only really $60 because you get 2. And I'm like, that's great. And I love that they're trying to give you the best deal, but I don't want 2 frying pans. It's going to throw my whole kitchen out of balance. I don't need 2 the same size. Anyway, so I left there a little bit disheartened, but then I went to Target. So this one is the 28 centimeters, so it's the larger side of the scale that I wanted to go on. It went from 24 to 28. I would have loved a 26, but the 24 was just a little bit too small. So I've got the 26 and I can't wait to use it. It was $25. So the 24 was $20. $25. Even if it lasts 12 months, I don't think you can go wrong. It's something that if the husband, the kids, any guest, anyone that uses, if something happens to it, it happens. Okay, so then I went to Big W to try and get some more things on my list. I probably got them, I did get the most at Big W. I got my hand mixer, $15. How good is that? So this comes with a 2-year warranty. It's got 5 speeds. I'm hoping it's a good beater. My last one, which I cannot get the brand anymore, it was so powerful. I think it only had 3 speeds, didn't matter. It was great. I haven't tested it yet. I will let you guys know. I also got another spatula. How good is this color? This is gorgeous. So you can see how thin that gets. So it's gonna be really great. Again, nylon, nice and stiff. $8. Can't go wrong with that. Oh, so the one from Robin's Kitchen, that one was 12 something, nearly 13. I also got a spoon, just a plastic serving spoon. We never seem to have enough when we're dishing up things. $2. That's awesome. And I got something that has been on my list for years. I know, naughty girl. I finally got measuring spoons. I finally did it. So I actually got this for you guys because I find in my videos, I'm so much of an estimator and I throw things in, but for you guys I really want to show you the right measurements, and when I'm saying I'm adding a teaspoon, I want to actually add a proper, correctly measuring spoon, teaspoon, and not just, you know, that'll do, which is what I normally do. And if that's what you want to do, go ahead, that's fine, but I also want to show you the right way. You know, whatever works for you is the right way, but yeah. So that's it for the shopping today, but there is a little Tupperware bonus. Tupperware. So I got 2 sets of, these modular mates, so they're for the pantry. And I think they were either 60 or 65% off. Either way, I've been talking about needing to do my pantry for quite a while. Yeah, there's plenty of things that are not in airtight containers, and ideally everything should be in airtight containers in the climate I live in, because there are lots of creepy crawlies, and once they get in, they do not get out. And so it's very important, but again, naughty girl, neglecting the kitchen, don't do it. So I really wanted some new oven trays. Mine are very old. I had a look at some at Big W, but they were really flimsy and pretty small actually. There was one, just one, decent sized one, but it was $25 and super flimsy. I need hardcore stuff. Like, I'm a hardcore baker. So I decided to just pass on that. I think Kmart will be my best bet with that one. Maybe Spotlight, but Spotlight tends to be pretty expensive too. So I'm going to try Kmart when I go to a complex that has Kmart in it. Again, Kmart, email me, we'll work it out. And the hand mixer, which I don't know, I might need to go back in time to find one, you guys. I still use it. There are some things that I find are delicate enough that I just want to use a hand mixer. I don't want to use an electric beater. I'll try Kmart. When I do, I'll let you guys know. So that is me done. So that is the biggest shopping haul I have done for kitchenware / appliances in one day. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye guys.